Yun lang po sa mga procured na oil, procure ng oil ng government. How do we plan on using this? Paano po natin i-distribute? Like, do we plan on the government doing it on posible ba itong masubsidize or idadaan rin po ba ito sa mga oil companies? Kasi ang concern po ng ilang groups kung ipapasa ulit ito sa oil companies and itatakda ulit based sa world market prices, edi mahal pa rin po yung presyo.
Um, the oil that we procured is actually parang reserba siya, no? Na pag may mga oil companies na alanganin yung mga orders nila, then we can give it to them. Now, this is basically, first of all kasi, ang first purpose of the oil that we purchased are for supply side, no? Nasiguraduhin natin na enough yung supply natin. Kasi I think that's the most important considering na kung mas malala yung problema pag wala na yung supply, no? Maubusan tayo. So we're securing it to make sure that we have enough supply and that all the oil companies have supply. Kasi kailangan kasi ng tao yung mga gas stations, no? So pag yung gas stations mo hindi makadeliver ang supplier nila, then that community will have a problem. So what we're ensuring, and Wimpy and sila Sandy are ensuring na merong supply na makakarating po sa mga gas stations natin. Now, second is how do we determine kung sino makakuha, uplift committee on how to distribute that. Pero right now, as of I think as of today or on Friday, we have drafted and issued already yung ang committee dyan. May committee kasi itong oil procurement that as a guideline on how the oil will be sold or distributed. Dadaan pa siya sa oil companies kasi the oil companies are the ones with the infrastructure. Mahirap kasi kung PNOC actually how they store is they store it in the storage of the oil companies kasi wala po yung gobyerno ng sariling storage. So doon na rin papunta yan sa mga oil companies and how we will distribute or how do we sell. We can provide the guidelines eventually kasi di ko lang alam kung natapos nila today, but we do have guidelines on how to distribute it.